Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th standard geometry second chapter Pythagoras theorem. In that practice set 2.2, okay, application of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, first one is in triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. If PQ is 11, PR is 17, PS is 13, find QR. So we have to draw one triangle PQR and S is the midpoint of side QR. Okay, so let's draw one triangle. So here is one triangle, let's name it PQR. Okay, and point S is the midpoint of QR. Point S, midpoint. Okay, here is a, let's draw our median. Okay, so S is the midpoint of side QR. So PS is the median of triangle PQR. Median means this PS divides side QR in two equal parts. So these two are equal. Okay, so we have to, in practice set 2.2 is based on Apollonius theorem. Okay, so PQ is 11, PR is 17, PS is 13. Find QR. Okay, so by first we'll write triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, here PS is the median. Okay, PS is the median. Therefore, by triangle and median comes means what? Apollonius theorem. Okay, so by Apollonius theorem, what is the formula? So PQ square plus PR square equal to 2PS square, this median PS square, plus 2QS square. Okay, now substitute its values. PQ is 11 square, therefore 11 square plus PR square is 17 square equal to 2 PS square. 2 into PS is 13 square plus 2 QS square, that we have to 2 QS square we have to find out. Okay, therefore 11 square is 121 plus 17 square 289. Okay, equal to 2 into 13 is a 169 and 2 QS square. Okay, here 289 plus 121, 9 1 10 8 10 11, it is 1 carry 3 and 4, 410. This is therefore 410 equal to 169 multiplied by 2. 169 multiplied by 2. 338 plus 2 QS square. Therefore 2QS square equal to 410 minus 338. We have to minus it, no, now. So 410 minus 338. $72. This is 72. This is 2qs square is 72. Therefore, qs square is 72 by 2. That is 2 3 is a 6, 12, 36. That is qs square is 36. Therefore, qs is 6. Now, taking square root. Okay, taking square root. Now, qs is 6. What is the question? Find qr. We have to find out qr. Means qs is qr is, here is qs is 6. So qr is 6 multiplied by 2. No, 6 multiplied by 2. So right here qs is half of the qr. No, half of the qr. So therefore we need qr now. No, now we need qr. Qr is 2 into qs. That is 2 into 6. That is 12. This is half of the qr because this is midpoint. qr is the midpoint of ps is the, qr is the s is the midpoint. S s is the midpoint of side qr. Okay, s is the midpoint of side qr. So qr is 12. Therefore, answer is qr is 12. Okay. Second one is, in triangle ABC, AB is 10, AC is 7, BC is 9. Then find the length of the median drawn from the point C to side AB. So we have to draw a triangle. We have to name it ABC. Okay. So here is the triangle ABC. Okay. So here, then find the length of median drawn from the vertex C. C is here. You have to draw median from vertex C. So here is the midpoint. And this is M. Yeah, let it be M. Okay, so this median divides side AB in 2 equal parts. Okay, so AB is 10. Okay, this AB, this length. Okay, till here this is 10. Okay, AB is 10, AC is 7, BC is 9. Okay, find the length of the median drawn from this. We have to find the length of this CM median. We have to find out the length of the median. Okay, therefore in triangle ABC, CM is the median. CM is the median drawn from the vertex C, drawn from the vertex C to side AB. Okay, and M is the midpoint side AB, midpoint of side AB. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, by Apollonius theorem, AC square plus here this from here this vertex, from this vertex the median has, so you have to take this AC square plus BC square equal to 2 cm square plus 2 am square. Okay, therefore by Apollonius theorem, AC square plus BC square equal to 2 cm square plus 2 am square. Okay, now substitute the values. AC is 7 square plus BC is 9 square equal to 2 into cm we have to find out, cm square, that we have to find out, 2 am square, 2 am. Here am, AB is here, AB is 10, no? Therefore am is half of AB, no? Half of AB. Therefore half of 10, that is 5, no? Therefore 2 into 5 square. Okay, 7 therefore 7 7s are 9 9s are 81 equal to 2 cm square plus 2 into 25. This is 49 81 130 equal to 2 cm square plus 50. Therefore, now we have to find out cm square, 2 cm square, bring it to the left hand side, become 130 minus 50. 130 minus 50, how much? 80, no? 80. Yeah, 80. This is 2 cm square is 80. Therefore, cm square is 80 by 2. That is 40. Cm square is 40. No? Therefore, cm is square root of 40. Square root of 40. 40, how we can write? 40, square root of 40 is, we can write 4 multiplied by 10. Okay, 4 multiplied by 10. So that 2 we can keep out. Okay. Therefore, cm is keeping 2 out, root 10. Okay. Therefore, cm, cm we got, no? So therefore answer is length of the median, the length of the median drawn from the vertex C to side AB. This is length AB is to side AB, that is 2 root 10. Okay, this is the answer. Length of CM is 2 root 10. Okay. Fourth one is, in triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of side BC if AB square plus AC square is 290 centimeter square, AM is 8 centimeter, find BC. We have to find BC. Okay, so we'll write here in triangle ABC, AM is the median, therefore by triangle and median, Apollonius theorem. Okay, therefore by Apollonius theorem, Apollonius theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Now substitute the values. AB square plus AC square, how much? See, AB square plus AC square. See what I wrote? AC square. A. Okay, AC square. AB square plus AC square. Okay, AB square plus AC square is 290. This is 290 equal to 2AM square. AM is 2 into AM is 8. 8 square plus 2BM. BM. BM square. Therefore 290 equal to 2 into 64. 8 8s are plus 2BM square. 64 into 2. How much? Therefore 128 plus 2BM square. Therefore 2BM square is 290 minus 128. 128. How much? 162. Yeah. This is therefore 2BM square is 262. Therefore BM square is 162 divided by 2, that is 81. BM square is 81. Therefore BM is square root of 81, that is 9. BM is 9. BM is 9. Therefore BM is 9. We have to find out BC. BM is half of BC, no? Therefore here it is BM is half of BC. We have to find out BC. Therefore BC is 2 into BM, that is 2 into 9, that is 18. Okay, 18 centimeter. Therefore answer is BC. This is BC. Okay, therefore BC is 18 centimeter. Okay, third one is, in the figure, segment PS is the median of triangle PQR and PT perpendicular to QR. Prove that PR square equal to PS square plus QR into ST plus QR by 2 whole square. Second one we have to prove PQ square equal to PS square minus, here plus, here it is only minus, QR into ST plus QR by 2 by whole square. Okay, so now write proof. Okay, so in this triangle, in triangle PQR, PS is the median. It is given PS is the median. Okay, S is the midpoint of side QR. Okay, therefore QS and SR. QS is equal to SR, no? QS is equal to SR because it is a median. Median means what? Median, PS is a median that divides side QR in two equal parts. So QS equal to SR. Okay. So QS equal to SR means they both are half of QR. No, half of QR. Okay. So let's write that first. In triangle PQR, PS is the median. PS is the median. Point S is the midpoint of, and S is the midpoint of side QR. Okay, side QR. Therefore, QS equal to SR. No, QS equal to SR. That is half of QR. Half of QR. Okay, half of QR. Okay. Now let's take first triangle PTS. Only this triangle. Okay, PTS. In triangle PTS, angle PTS is 90 degree. This is given here. Okay, this is given. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, PS square equal to PT square plus TS square. Okay. So in triangle PTS, angle PTS is 90 degree. That is given. Okay. Therefore, according to the by Pythagoras theorem, PS square equal to PT square plus TS square. This is, let's it be equation number 1 and this is will be equation number 2. Okay. Now let's consider PTR, this whole triangle. In triangle PTR is a 90 degree. This is also given. Okay, this is a common angle for both the triangles. No, so this is PTR is a 90 degree. Though according to the Pythagoras theorem, PR square equal to PT square plus TR square. Okay, in triangle PTR, angle PTR is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square here, PR square equal to PT square plus TR square. This is equation number 3. Okay. Now, therefore, PR square is PT square plus TR. TR means what here? Here TR means TS plus SR. No, TR is TS plus SR. Okay. So instead of writing TR, we have to write TS plus SR whole square. Okay. Therefore PR square equal to PT square. Here it is A plus B whole square. This is A plus B whole square. What is the formula for A plus B whole square? That is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. We have to use that formula here. Plus here it is TS square plus 2 into TS into SR plus SR square. See, here it is SR square. Okay. Therefore, PR square equal to PT square plus TS square. Okay, because here equation number, see, PT square plus TS square, equation number 2. Then write 2 into TS into SR plus SR square. Here, therefore, PR square equal to PT square, here equation number 2, PT square plus TS square is PS square. Write PS square plus 2 into TS as it is into SR. SR, see here, SR is half QR, that is QR by 2, QR by 2 plus again SR square, that is QR by 2 whole square. Okay, so here this is plus and this is whole one term. Okay, so this 2 has gone. Therefore, PR square equal to PS square plus TS into QR plus QR by 2 whole square. This is what we have to prove. Here it is PR square equal to PS square, QR into TS or ST plus QR whole square. See, this we have to prove. No, this is what TS or ST, both are same. Okay, now second one we have to prove PQ square. This one you have to prove now. See, this is for first one. Okay, this is for first one. Now we'll do for the second one. Second one we have to prove this is PQ square equal to PS square minus QR into ST plus QR by 2 whole square. Okay, so let's consider. Okay, see here, first we'll take this. Now we have to take this triangle PTQ. Okay, in this triangle PTQ, angle PTQ is 90 degrees. See, this is 90 degree, means this is PT is a perpendicular to QR. Therefore, PTR is 90 degree, then PTQ is also 90 degree, because the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay, therefore in triangle PTQ angle PTQ is 90 degree. Okay, therefore by Pythagoras theorem PQ square equal to QT square plus PT square. Therefore PQ square equal to QT, means QT is, this is the median, QT is QS minus TS. No, see, QT is, this QT is QS minus TS. Okay, QS minus TS whole square then write pt square. Okay, therefore pq square equal to, here it is a minus b whole square, here a minus b whole square, so qs square minus 2 into qs into ts, okay, plus ts square. This is because a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So now therefore pq square equal to q square, this plus ts square. Okay, then write this q, this, see, this qs square and ts square make one group, because qs plus ts, see, minus 2 into qs into ts. Okay, so see, here I made a mistake, qs square minus 2 into qs into ts, okay, plus ts square whole, then I forgot to write pt square here. Here I have to write pt square. Okay, here pt square. So now therefore pq square equal to ts square plus pt square. See, here we have to do this pt square plus ts square. Here it comes pt square plus ts square, that we have to make one group. Okay, we'll bring this here, ts square plus pt square. Okay, then write remaining thing, plus qs square plus, yeah, qs is qr. Okay, this pt square and ps square, pt square and ts square made one group. Now write this qs square minus 2 into qs into ts. Okay, these two has gone. Okay, these two, see here. Now write therefore pq square ts plus pt square, ts square plus pt square. See, ts square, here it is, ts square plus pt square is ps square. So write ps square plus, instead of writing qs, qs is what, qr by 2, no, qs and sr are same, qr by 2. Okay, so qr by 2 whole square minus 2 into qs into ts. Again we have to write qs here. Let's see, ps square plus qr by 2 whole square minus 2 into qs is again qr by 2. Okay, qs is qr by 2 into ts. So this 2 has gone, therefore ps square plus 2, not 2, qr by 2 whole square minus qr into ts. This is what pq square. Therefore, okay, see, this is what we have to prove. PQ square equal to PS square minus QR into ST or TS plus QR by 2 whole square. We'll write it is right in this form, same, but here place is changed. Okay, therefore we'll write this PQ square equal to PS square. We'll write this first, okay, minus QR into TS is ST, can write, okay, plus QR by 2 whole square. Okay, this is problem number 3. Okay, fifth one is, in figure, point T is in the interior of rectangle. This is a rectangle. PQR is a RS is a rectangle. Prove that TS square plus TQ square equal to TP square plus TR square. Okay, now some instructions given. As shown in the figure, draw segment AB parallel to side SR and ATB. ATB are on the same line, that's ATB are collinear. Okay, PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, so in this, what is rectangle? Rectangle is opposite sides are equal. No, opposite sides are equal. So here, and side segment PS is parallel to side QR. Okay, QR, and therefore this is a construction. This is a construction. First we have to. This is a construction, already it is given. Construct through T a line. Draw a line parallel to SR. That is AB parallel to SR. Okay. So PS is parallel to QR because opposite sides of rectangle. Therefore AS is also parallel to BR. No. AS is also parallel to BR because PAS they are collinear, QBR are collinear. Okay, therefore AB is also parallel to SR because ATB is a collinear points. Okay, therefore angle, this is AB is this is construction we made. No, AB is parallel to SR. This is, see here, AB is parallel to side SR. That's a construction. Therefore angle ASRB is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is, therefore angle ASR is a 90 degree. This is already see in figure. Point T is the interior of rectangle. Already this given that PQRS is a rectangle. Therefore angle ASR is a 90 degree. Therefore AS quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? 4 sides. Force, if quadrilateral having a 4 sides, it's called a quadrilateral. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Therefore quadrilateral ASRB is a rectangle. So first we'll write construction. Construction through B, through T, draw AB parallel to SR. AB parallel to SR. Okay, segment, we'll write AB parallel to segment SR. Okay, SR such that P, A, S, okay, these three are collinear. Q, B, R, these are collinear points, and A, T, B are collinear. See, it is given here. Okay, ATB. Now proof. Okay, here segment PS, okay, segment PS is parallel to segment QR. Segment PS is parallel to segment QR because opposite sides of a rectangle. See, this is given here. Rectangle PQRS. PS parallel to QR because it's opposite sides of a rectangle. Okay. Therefore, AS parallel to BR. Therefore, segment AS parallel to segment BR. AS parallel to segment BR. This is because PAS and QB are collinear points. Okay. Also, AB, segment AB is parallel to segment SR. Okay. This is construction. No, this is construction. AB is parallel to side SR. Construction. Okay, construction. Therefore, quadrilateral ASRB is a parallelogram. Okay. Angle ASR. Angle ASR is 90 degree because angle of a rectangle Therefore ASRB is a rectangle. Okay, ASRB is also rectangle. Now, this is ASRB is a rectangle. No, therefore, angle SAB, this angle, okay, so this angle SAB and angle ABR are 90 degree because they are right angle. This is the right angle, and the angles of a rectangle. Angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. No, so angle SAB equal to angle ABR is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree because angles of a rectangle. Okay, angles of a rectangle. Therefore TA, segment TA is perpendicular to side PS. Okay, TA is perpendicular to side PS, and segment TB perpendicular to side QR. Okay, so this is equation number 1 will give. Okay, this is equation number 1. So therefore, see, TA is parallel to PS and TB is parallel to side QR. Okay, therefore AS equal to BR. No, therefore AS equal to BR. This is equation number 2. Similarly, PA equal to QB. This is equation number 3. This is because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Now we have to take, see, angle SAT. We have to take triangle SAT because TS is a perpendicular to PS. Therefore, angle TAS is a 90 degree. No? So, according to the Pythagoras theorem, TS square equal to AS square plus AT or TA square. Okay. Therefore, in triangle TAS, angle TAS is 90 degree. Okay, TAS is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, TS square equal to TA square plus AS square or SC square, AS square. This is equation number 4 we can give. Now this triangle, in triangle TBQ, angle TBQ is 90 degree. TBQ is 90 degree. No, see, this is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, TQ square, this is TQ square, this is 90 degree. Straight opposite, this is hypotenuse. So, TQ square equal to TB square plus BQ square or QB square. This is equation number 5. Now we have to add equation number 4 and 5. Adding equation 4 and 5. Okay, so write TS square, therefore TS square, here it is TQ plus TQ square equal to TA square plus AS square. Now addition of fifth one, TB square plus QB square. This is equation number 6. Okay. Now we have to take this triangle and this triangle. For first one, this triangle and this triangle is gone. So now this triangle and this triangle. First we'll take this triangle. Okay. Not this. This is over. Okay. Now take triangle P. Okay. In triangle PAT. Okay, this is 90 degrees, so it has to, angle has to come in between. Middle alphabet always denotes angle. Okay, therefore in triangle PAT, angle PAT is 90 degree. Middle alphabet A denotes 90 degree. Okay, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, here this is 90 degree. Therefore PT square, this is 90 degrees straight opposite. Therefore PT square equal to PA square plus AT square. This is, I think, equation number 7. Now triangle TBR. In triangle TBR, yeah, TBR, angle TBR is 90 degree. Okay, this angle TBR is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, okay, B is a 90 degree straight opposite is a hypotenuse. Therefore, TR square equal to TB square plus BR square. This is equation number 8. Now adding 7 and 8. Okay, adding equation 7 and 8. Equation 7 and 8. Okay, so PT square, therefore PT square plus TR square equal to PA square plus AT square plus TB square plus BR square. Okay, now we have to substitute this. Therefore PT square plus TR square equal to PA here, see here, PA, here it is, PA is QB, right, QB square plus AT square plus TB square plus BR. This BR square is AS square. Okay, see, this is equation number 9, and this is from this substitution from equation number C. Here it is, equation number 2 and 3. Okay, this is substituted from equation 2 and 3. Okay, this is substitution equation from 2 and 3. Now this is equation number 9. Now from equation number 6 and 9, 6, here it is 6 and 9. Okay, from equation number 6 and 9. Okay, 6 and 9. See, 6 is TS square plus TQ square. See, here it is. Compare. You have to compare with this. Okay, 6 and 9. Right hand side is, see, AT square. This is also AT square, TA bit, but okay, TA square plus AS square, this AS square plus TB square plus QB square is QB square. Right hand sides are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal. Therefore, PT square plus TR square equal to, here it is, PT square plus TR square equal to TS square plus TQ square. That is what we have to prove here. See, it is TS square plus TQ square is TP square plus TR square. So we'll write here from equation number 6 and 9, right hand side is equal. No, therefore 6 is TS square plus TQ square equal to 9. Equation number 9 is PT square plus TR square. See, this is what we have to prove. See, TS square plus TQ square is PT square. Okay, we'll write. Therefore, we'll write this here. I wrote TS. Here it is. Here TS. TQ. Here PT is there. They give TP. Okay, so we'll write the same thing. Alphabets just replaced. Okay, so alphabets are exchanged, but we will write the same thing. TS square plus TQ square. No, TQ square equal to TP square. See, this is PT, now TP, okay, plus TR square. So, hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Okay. So, this thing you have to write and learn. Okay. This is like, it's very easy. If you once you understand, then it's very easy. It's like this rectangle construction. This show that I think you can write on your own also. If you once you understand, you can write on your own, because this is a rectangle. You have to show that this side is equal to this side, and this is a construction, so this side is equal to this side. Then you have to take, see this, then you have to take this triangle and this triangle, use Pythagoras theorem. Then you take this triangle, Pythagoras theorem, add these two and write, keep it aside, like give equation number. Then secondly, take this equation, use Pythagoras theorem. Then take this equation, Pythagoras theorem, and add. Okay, at last you have to substitute. Here it is. Here 1 AS equal to BR we took, PA equal to QB. We took notes that they are equal. So you have to substitute in that. Automatically the answer will come. Okay. So if you have any doubt, this do let me know in the comment section. Okay. Practical set 2.2, practice set 2.2 has got over. So if you have any doubt or if you have any suggestion, do let me know in the comment section. Okay. So okay then, bye.